Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. Today is a pretty important day in our rabbitry. We are at the end of our summer season. We are well into fall now, and we are scheduled to get our possible first flurries next week. And I have 3 litters of babies due. I've got, let's see, Miss Cobbler here, she's due. Wisteria, she's due. And Duchess is due Sunday and Monday, so like 4 days. And with us getting flurries next week, I want to make sure that this rabbitry stays nice and warm for them. So the goal today is to prepare the rabbitry for winter as well as new babies. So what we're going to do today is we're going to pull all of the shade cloths off that I put up for the summer, kind of hose those off, get them rinsed and ready for storage, and then we're going to pull out the insulation panels and we're going to go get those put on, and then just give the rabbitry a good clean, and that way everything's kind of ready for this week, new babies, and ready for the winter months. So let me get you guys set up on a tripod and we'll just hop to it. my phone storage filled up in the middle of my winterproofing the rabbitry yesterday, so I wanted to show you guys what I got accomplished and how everything's looking now that everything's ready for winter. So I got all of the sunshades off. They're all rinsed and clean and stored away for the winter. And I got all of the insulation panels up. Got them up on this side and over here. So this will provide warmth and a wind block for my rabbits this winter. Miss Penny here on the end, I'm going to staple some greenhouse plastic on her hutch here to block the wind and help insulate. And then I just gave everybody a good clean. We cleaned out all of the poop trays, raked out all of the old hay, and just made it nice and clean in here. And then of course I got the nest boxes ready for my does that are due in a couple days. So Cobbler got hers, Wisteria got hers over here, and Duchess got hers as well. So the only thing that I need to do in preparation for winter is put a greenhouse door on the opening here that'll help block out more of the wind and keep the heat in. The other thing I did do, I removed the fans from the ends of the hutches here. I got those cleaned up and stored away for winter as well. And then I put the water heaters in the buckets, though I don't think I need to plug them in just yet, but they are there. And so yeah, I think we're pretty much set for winter. The only thing I need to do now is pick up some more hay bales and make sure that I have enough hay to get us through the cold winter months. So, all right, if you guys have any questions about how I winterize my rabbitry, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. If you find my content helpful, useful, entertaining, or you just like them, go ahead and hit that like button on your way out, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. That lets you know when new content is up on the channel, and it really helps my channel as well. So thank you guys for subscribing and supporting my channel in that way. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.